Hey, how's it going? So this is Heather Denaro here with Your Best Beach Life, and we're going to be talking about video number 3 on Latitude Margaritaville, a little bit more in depth about this drawing / lottery that's going to be happening for your home sites and such. So stick around, don't go away. All right, so let's start talking about the semantics and the vocabulary. First off, I'm going to make some corrections from in the past, and I called it phase 1. Well, we now understand that phase 1 is actually already completed, and that's been talking about just the infrastructure, the sales center, and the models. So let's try to get that out of the way so that when you have your visit, it's not any more confusing. So this is phase 2. We're talking about phase 2 as being the first set of home sites. And there are going to be 200 home sites in this initial launch of phase 2. There is going to be a drawing on May 1st, and this is how it's going to work. So anybody who participated from April 3rd to April 24th is the cutoff in a virtual or live walkthrough, and you filled out the documents that you're interested in moving forward and just trying to see that you'll be able to participate in this drawing. Now, there are no final monies available right now. The lot premiums have not been officially released. There's just a range. The range is from $8,000 all the way up to $40,000. So, you can't make a decision right this second. And that's not what this drawing is for. In fact, the drawing is just for you to be able to make an appointment to have the opportunity to be in the first 200. Basically, it's a drawing for first right of refusal. So as you keep going through this, you can choose whether to move on or to drop out. So a third-party company, there are many companies who do this. There are school systems who do lottery-style drawings. But they're going to, basically, once you sign up, you will receive an email with the link and the code for the site. And basically, on May 1st, at 5 p.m., they're going to conduct the drawing live. You are more than welcome to watch the drawing live. With your code, you will be subscribed a specific user code that will allow them to know you're the participant and you're allowed to be involved. It's not going to be just open to the general public on YouTube or anything like that. So May 1st, 5 p.m., or you can just wait until you receive either the notification from Watersound or through, I believe you're assigned your number or notified of your number in email. So what happens if you're one of the 200 chosen? Because there are just 200 home sites first. And more than likely there are more than 200 wanting to get into this initial phase 2. And so that's why this is happening. So basically the way it happens is on May 2nd, Latitude Margaritaville Watersound employees will begin calling the people in the order that they were drawn. And they will begin to schedule a showing appointment for your floor plan and your home site. Now, be prepared because there's going to be up to 200 happening, that you've got a handful of home sites chosen. So in the case that someone has already chosen yours 2 or 3 times, you've got some other options available. And if you think about it, it's just like if you walked in and there were already phases going and you walk in and you go, oh, I'd really like that one. Sorry, someone's already, on that property. What's another one that you would like looking at? So it's not like you're losing a whole heck of a lot, but you need to be prepared in case that's a possibility for you, okay? What will happen is you'll get that first appointment. That first appointment can be done phone call, Zoom, or live. If you decline that first appointment and you miss it, you're bumped. So it's very important that when they call you and you're one of the ones that were drawn, for you to even find out the pricing and to go further and see if this is an option for you, you've got to accept that appointment. So go ahead and take it. All you're doing there is designating your home site and your floor plan. Then what will happen is you will schedule a follow-up appointment, and that is where you will make your Group A choice. About what is Group A, what is Group B. Group A are your structural choices, and let's talk about it for a quick second. Structural means anything that deals with the actual building of the walls. So in structural, if you are looking for more outlets, for more can lights, or if you're looking for doors or moved walls, or even types of bathtubs, they said that is structural. So kind of have that working in your mind and thinking about, what might be some things that you guys, they're non-negotiable. Those are the choices that you're going to need on appointment number 2. That's more of where you're getting towards the contract. So appointment number 2 is making those modifications that work for you. So, you're adding a lanai, you're screening it in, you're adding a pool. All those structural things are gonna be discussed then. And you will receive a contract shortly after that appointment. And that is when you're locked in. So you've got a few steps before you get there. We've got the drawing, you've got your appointment number 1, and then you've got your appointment number 2. And you will have prices at that appointment number 2. So you're still not going blindly into making the choices that work for you and your family. So I hope this has answered any of your questions. I do have another video, check it out. You can click it above about the background of how Minto and Margaritaville came together. And also there's going to be another video more about the actual layout and other styles for this. So I hope this has helped. Look in the description below. You're more than welcome to go ahead and reach out to me and let me know if you have any questions. I'm learning right along with you, but at a much faster pace since there are so many questions coming. So hopefully I can do all that. And there will be another video about some of the rules, regulations, rentals, inheritance, all of these things. So keep watching. All right, I'll talk to you later. Let me know if you have any questions.